Exploring the various paths to achieving a royal flush. In the world of poker, few hands are as highly coveted as the royal flush. It is the pinnacle of success, a combination of cards that signifies unparalleled luck and skill. A royal flush consists of the 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace of the same suit, delivering an unbeatable hand in any poker variant. The royal flush. A definition. Before delving into the various paths to a royal flush, let's establish the components of this legendary hand. In a standard deck of 52 cards, the royal flush consists of the 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace, all of the same suit. These 5 cards must be in sequential order, starting with the 10 and culminating with the Ace. The straight flush connection. One crucial fact to understand is that the royal flush is a specific type of straight flush. A straight flush refers to any sequence of 5 cards in numerical order, all of the same suit. The royal flush represents the highest possible straight flush. It features the highest ranking cards in the deck. Different paths to a royal flush. While the end result remains the same, a royal flush, there are different paths one can take to achieve this illustrious hand. Here are 3 common scenarios. 1. Holding all 5 cards. In this scenario, a player is dealt all 5 cards of the royal flush right from the beginning. For instance, receiving the 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace of Spades as the initial hand in a game of Texas Hold'em. Although this is an extremely rare occurrence, it guarantees the player a royal flush. 2. Completing a straight flush. Another way of achieving a royal flush is by completing a straight flush during the course of the game. Players may start with some of the necessary cards, and then draw the missing cards from subsequent community cards or additional rounds of betting. This method requires both luck and strategy, because players must assess the odds and make calculated decisions to pursue the missing cards. 3. Drawing on the flop. In certain poker variants, such as Omaha Hold'em or 5-card draw, players are dealt 5 cards initially. In these games, it is possible to draw the remaining missing cards for a royal flush during the subsequent betting rounds. This approach allows for flexibility and adaptability, as players have the opportunity to discard and replace cards to complete their desired hand. The rarity and excitement. The royal flush is an exceedingly rare hand, with the odds of being dealt one directly from the initial shuffle estimated at about 1 in 649,740. However, the likelihood increases when considering the potential paths to achieve it through drawing cards and community cards. Despite the rarity, the sight of a royal flush on the table or in one's hand brings an electrifying rush of excitement and anticipation to both players and spectators alike. While the odds of achieving a royal flush may be slim, the thrill of chasing this elusive hand adds an element of excitement to the game. Whether it's being dealt all 5 cards, completing a straight flush, or drawing the necessary cards, the pursuit of a royal flush remains an exhilarating and memorable experience for any poker enthusiast.